What's inside a tooth? A tooth may look simple from the outside, but inside, it's a complex structure made of several layers, each with its own job. Enamel is the outermost layer of the tooth, the white, shiny part you see when you smile. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, even harder than bone. Its main job is to protect the tooth from wear, tear, and decay. However, it can wear down over time from acidic foods, poor dental hygiene, or grinding your teeth. Right beneath the enamel is the dentin, a yellowish layer that makes up most of the tooth structure. Dentin is softer than enamel and contains thousands of microscopic tubes called dentinal tubules. These tubes connect to the inner pulp, and that's why you might feel sensitivity when enamel gets thin. The sensations travel through the dentin to the nerves. At the center of the tooth lies the pulp, the soft, living tissue. This is where blood vessels and nerves are found. The pulp provides nutrients to the tooth and keeps it alive. It's also what causes you to feel pain if you get a cavity or an infection that reaches deep inside. Covering the tooth's roots is a thin layer called cementum. It's not as hard as enamel or dentin, but it helps anchor the tooth in place by connecting it to the periodontal ligament. Surrounding the root of the tooth, periodontal ligament acts like a shock absorber. It helps hold the tooth in the jawbone while allowing for tiny movements when you chew or bite. The bottom part of the tooth is the root, which extends into the jawbone. The root keeps the tooth firmly in place, and it's where the nerves and blood vessels enter the pulp through tiny openings called root canals. So, a tooth isn't just a solid block. It's a layered, living structure with hard protection on the outside and soft, sensitive tissue on the inside. That's why it's super important to take care of them. Loved learning what's inside your tooth? Hit like, subscribe, and share for more awesome science every day.